7th pre-competitive skill test. Speaking to a gathering in an open space along in the evening, one of the key leaders said their legal team would legally examine the notifications issued by the government full stop. If these notifications do not fulfill legal requirements in accordance with our Charter of Demand, we, the Joint Action Committee members, will unanimously decide our next course of action tonight, he said. Full stop. He alleged that the AJK government had previously extended them a non-serious and irresponsible attitude, which was why they could hardly believe its actions. Full stop. According to their witnesses, the arrival of rallies from the division had not stopped even after 9:30 p.m. Full stop. New paragraph. After entering the city through the western bypass, the Rangers were welcomed with those rocks again, prompting them to use tear gas and bullets. Full stop. The shelling was so intense that the entire neighborhood reeled from it. Full stop. This correspondent saw two local elders approaching the Rangers and escorting them to safety via a link road. Full stop. However, witnesses said that the Rangers had resorted to tear gas, shelling and firing in the air in another area as well before the administration drove their vehicles to safety. Full stop. Amid constant sloganeering by the opposition members, the ministers also taunted the opposition leader for being a part of the cabinet of the military dictator. Full stop. New paragraph. On the other hand, the bodies of two of those who were killed in the violence had been taken by their kin to the ground adjacent to them, where slogans were heard against the government and the civil armed forces. Full stop. There is tension and anger in the air. A resident of the old city, full stop, reports received from other AJK towns said that people had staged demonstrations to express wrath and anger at the killings. Full stop. The subsidized rate for 40 kg flour will be 2000, down from 3100. Full stop. The electricity tariff was reduced for up to 100, 300, and much more than 300 units respectively. Full stop. The AJK government also issued notifications to this effect for the satisfaction of protesters. Full stop. Rangers, called in the maintain law and order in the state, were supposed to return to the Pakistani territory after the PM's announcement. Full stop.